Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Spectrum on Firestick. Let's go. Open search. Find Spectrum. Not found. Why? The Spectrum app is not supported. What to do? Open browser. Open watch.spectrum.net. Log into your account. After that, you will be able to use Spectrum on your Firestick. That's it. Now you know how to use Spectrum on Firestick. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.